So I've just arrived at the Smart Factories Expo in Liverpool. This is the second exhibition I've been to this year. The first was in April, and that was in Manchester. Today I'm going to go around and basically ask the same question, which is how do implementers or solutions providers work with the platform providers that will be at the show today, because a lot of businesses will be creating their own platforms, whether that's IBM, Siemens, or the new and up-and-coming platforms that are have been created for the Fourth Industrial Revolution movement. But they are only platforms, and there's no change unless, as we see it, there is an encouragement for other people to develop onto the platform. So that's what the question I will be asking today at the show. So that's the first day of the Smart Factories Expo in Liverpool over and done with. It's been a really good day. I've been able to speak to a lot of the platform providers and understand how I can work with them, and also where they're based. As normal, when you speak to software people, you always get a nice warm vibe for them. They want to work with you, and they realise that there's no such thing as really competitors in this space. Even when you're speaking to the likes of IBM or Amazon, they need you as much as you need them. So tomorrow is day two. It's going to be more of a casual day. I'm going to attend the talks more than anything, and then head on home. So that's the end of this Smart Factories Expo in Liverpool. End of another day. Again, good feedback from platform providers that they're willing to collaborate and work with us to extend their platforms. And now it's just on the way back to the South Coast.